Hello, hi guys. Today, most of the people face the challenge of the time. It is because many reasons. I would like to talk about one thing: how do we change the timing? How we can woke up early. So if we woke up early, there are a lot more things, lot more advantages we have. We know, so we will get better health, we will get ample of time to do other things, so you can utilize the improve yourself physically, mentally, and spiritually too, so in early mornings. But how do we make habit of getting up early in the morning? There are some few tips. There are a lot more things, but few tips I would like to share with you guys, with my personal experience too. Um, First thing is, set an alarm bedtime in the night time. So every phone, mobile comes with the do not disturb mode, and be it be Android, iPhone, any mobile comes with do not disturb mode. You set your bedtime and make it habit to go early to bed. If I know there are sometimes maybe it will slip, so that's one thing. Then avoid unplug from the bedtime. So means uh, you can avoid the screen time. So we know, I think most of the people who are working and corporate, many people uses the mobile a lot. Some people will be using it 10, 12, 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock mobile phones. It will be hooked to many things due to so many other reasons. But if you can avoid screen time, it will be better. So then you will give a rest to the eyes, so that you will get a deep sleep. And instead of spending time in the mobile, so you can read something. So whatever favorite subject or whatever favorite novel, whatever favorite book you have or content you have, you start reading it. So that is maybe helps you to slowly slip into the sleep. And another thing is, talk to family and on good things, family, friends. So not in a phone, means in family. Um, Another thing is, take food earlier. So try to see if it can be 2 to 2 hours gap ideally. But if you can make it at least 1 hour gap, then slowly you can increase your capacity. So it is possible. And of course, if you have any habit of, so first and foremost things, avoid caffeinated things. But so if you cannot, so at least avoid taking it in night time, so at least the 2 hours before your sleep. um, if there is a possibility, so the other tip I could say is, try to take cold shower if possible, and get up when your alarm rings. So don't postpone. So if you are keep postponing, snoozing it out, no, so one more time, that you will not get it up. So I'm not saying that you just woke up with this thing. So just slowly woke up with the gratitude, saying that okay, maybe so this I can do, this I can do. So that is another thing. And if you start if you win, if you woke up with the alarm sound, then your day is done. So and all things follows whatever you are trying to do. Then other thing is, you start doing exercises. See, most of the people, why we don't get a sleep is because we are not we are not moving our body enough. So especially in corporate and people who are doing job, um, they're not moving enough our body. So start practicing some exercises and yoga exercises, be walking, running, gym, anything. So and also do yoga or pranayams like Ujjayi breath, whatever. There are a lot more things are there. You can practice any one of them. So with this, no, definitely it helps to go into sleep early in the night, where as soon as you go to bed, and also it helps you to wake up early. There are a lot more things going on. We can, but yeah. So let me share my story, because I am working in big MNC, so like all other sons. So I used to wake up 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So nowadays I am waking up by 5. How is it possible? Because so I started slowly, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. So I started planning my day before the night itself. So few of the things what I need to do, at least in the my mind. So once you have a visibility on tomorrow, then when I have a visibility on tomorrow, so then slowly I started utilizing the early morning times for doing walking exercise, pranayama, sudarshan kriya, padma sadhana, a lot more things. So with that, so now I am not feeling any difficulty or difficult. When I go to bed, it automatically feels like sleeping. Then 5 o'clock I can easily get up without any discomfort, difficulty. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. If thank you for watching. Bye bye. Unless otherwise, if anybody has, let me see. Anybody has? Okay. Bye bye.